Sir, actually I'm from Bangalore Rural District, Nelmangala Taluk. I have done a MSc B.Ed. Actually, I'm come here for a job opportunity. I'm looking for a job, and we are still looking for it, sir.
Okay, what happened? I think even Mr. MLA Harris, he spoke to you. What did he discuss with you?
Actually, I told that some of the employers has said that you are overqualified, so we are looking only for the PUC and the graduate people. And job opportunities are little low for science people. But sir told me that you just believe and will get a call from us. MLA sir took my resume and he personally tell her assistant to follow up for the details. We believe in the government, sir.
Okay, what do you think is something? It sounds very stupid, right? When people say overqualified, what do you mean by that?
Not exactly. Actually, they are meant for a good purpose, and government is doing good for every people who are seeking for an opportunity. He just give me an assurance. We believe in him. We believe in government, and we look for the positive note, sir.